well, to start with, see, any technology, for that matter, technology by itself is value neutral. Internet, actually, if you look at the way that it has transformed the whole communication systems, I mean, it has brought about changes in every sphere of our life. Just we can't imagine our life without internet right now. It has brought about changes in governance. It has brought about changes in the way commerce is done. Whether we want to find out any information, we just can't think of a life without internet. So there are so many good things about internet, but there are certain things which are happening and which many of the sociologists and psychologists have been pointing out. Say, for example, one of the things that is being said about is that internet addiction. See, when it happens at a very early age, for example, the childhood or the teenage, it is dangerous and it affects the growth of, for example, say a child. If a child gets addicted to internet, say in terms of playing different types of games, okay. So what happens is the person gets restricted. The normal, see, when you talk of a normal childhood, the normal childhood means, another thing is, one of the things that is being pointed out by sociologists is, well, internet, say, what is happening is, right now, the real relations are being replaced by cyber relations. That means, now, you are trying to build up, but at the same time, you are forgetting your immediate neighborhood. Okay, these are the negative sides of the internet. Okay, but let us get into some of the positive things, other positive things. But if you try to closely see what are the changes, so for example, if you look at the kind of changes that is happening in Arabic countries right now, and there are also, for example, if you look at the recent influence of internet, I mean, the case of Binayak Sen. See, Binayak Sen started getting a lot of support from the various human rights organizations, the various civil society groups. That was made possible by some websites called Free Binayak Sen campaign. See, and if you look at the whole development sector, the kind of changes are happening. There are a lot of social justice movements, there are a lot of human rights movements, there are a lot of anti-nuclear movements, a lot of peace and justice movements. There are the different indigenous groups, the movements of the indigenous groups, the anti-racist movements. Actually, all these things, the coming together of the people involved in these kind of movements, it has been made possible through internet. So, to start with, see, that's what I would like to conclude. Internet by itself is not a bad thing. So, there are a lot of good things happening through internet also.